Good morning, friends. I hope you all well. Today I am going to explain question tag. आज आपण मन पई मु गोटे नुवा चैप्टर ले आसी से चैप्टर टा हमर प्रत्येक एग्जाम पई गोटे 1 or 2 मार्क्स कंपलसरी आसीबो तो हमें ए क्वेश्चन टैग को गोटे न्यूज यूनिक्स मेथड रे बुझेबी तनो एटा को प्रैक्टिस हमें कांसेप्ट बुझवा सहित हमको प्रैक्टिस करले दरकार तो हमें प्रत्येक ए चैप्टर रो क्वेश्चन टैग रो किछ हमर डेफिनेशन किछ हमर रूल्स भी अछि हम से रूल को फॉलो करले हम सब जिंस करि परिबा तेनो फर्स्ट व्हाट इज क्वेश्चन टैग A question tag is a grammatical structure in which a declarative or an imperative statement is turned into interrogative fragment. The tag question tag that positive sentence to you have to write negative sentence, the negative sentence to have to write positive sentence. Then point to remember हमें ए क्वेश्चन टा करिया पूर्व हम किछि रूल को हमें फॉलो करबा उचित सो टैग इज एडेड एट द एंड ऑफ द सेंटेंस हम गोटे सेंटेंस रो हमर एंड होछि हम एंड पर हमें क्वेश्चन टा यूज करबा सेकंड वन पॉजिटिव सेंटेंस टेक द नेगेटिव टैग इफ द पॉजिटिव सेंटेंस यू हैव टू राइट नेगेटिव टैग देन थर्ड वन negative sentence take positive tag. Suppose the sentence tag negative, you have to write positive tag. Question mark is used under the question tag. Question tag after हमें question mark दबा. Subject becomes pronoun. हमें जो sentence रे बे subject थी वो sentence. What is sentence? A sentence is group of words that make complete sense. So sentence रे हम गोटे subject verb plus subject तो subject हमरो थिबो हम तरे question tag करिबा तले हमरो subject ता pronoun हेजिबो subject ता मे बी noun थिबो और pronoun थिबो बट हम जेतोले question tag करिबा त हमरो pronoun को हेजिबो so sentence is two types affirmative and negative affirmative means helping verb plus subject helping verb plus subject. Then negative sentence helping verb plus not plus subject. Again मु गोटे कथा कहबी हमर क्वेश्चन टैग पर हम करूचे हमर कॉन्ट्रैक्शन फॉर्मूला आछी मोटे पॉइंट भूली जाई छी इट इज रिटन इन कॉन्ट्रैक्टेड फॉर्म और शॉर्ट फॉर्म हम क्वेश्चन टैग करूचे हम कॉन्ट्रैक्टेड फॉर्म कॉन्ट्रैक्टेड मींस शॉर्ट फॉर्म हम कहबी contracted form kon short form kon so we have to remind these points then comes some example he is a student this is a sentence he is a student he is subject here is verb here student is object here already I have told you question our sentence ka subject plus verb plus object. In this sentence, what is the verb here? First, we have to find out what is the helping verb there. तो हम question tag करूचे, हमें first देखिबा find out करिबा से sentence रो helping verb ता कौन छै? हमें helping verb ही हम start करिबा question tag दा. He is a student. So he is subject, he is helping verb. Verb also you know two types, helping verb or auxiliary and main verb or principal verb. In this sentence, there is no main verb, only helping verb. He is a student. In this sentence, जब हम sentence complete होगा, एक comma थिबो, comma after हमें start करबा question tag. Question tag ता हमें सब contraction और short form रे करबा plus यदि हम subject ता थिबो noun थिबो, हमें तबे एठी pronoun बसिना. But in this sentence, a sentence में हमर subject ता already pronoun रे अछि he already pronoun जानि थिबो what is pronoun pronoun is a word which used place of noun now is he is a student in this sentence is affirmative or negative here affirmative or positive he is a student already हम कहि चित्रा हम sentence ता positive रे थिबो हम ताको टैग करते तो हम ताको नेगेटिव रे करबा तो he is a student स्टूडेंट हियर इज हेल्पिंग वर्ब आमे प्रथम पॉइंट है आमे सेंटेंस रो आमे फाइंड आउट करबा मतलब हेल्पिंग वर्ब की अछि तो इज हेल्पिंग वर्ब तो आमे एठी लिखिबा इज बट इज स्टार्ट करबो स्मॉल लेटर इज नॉट ही is the positive sentence, so when you change into question tag, you write a negative sentence, there is after writing not also लिखिबे contracted form or short form a apostrophe t complete. Then what is the subject here? Already concept is subject becomes pronoun. What is the subject here? He already हमरा pronoun रे अछि, so right here is not he, after that question mark. Number 5 point, question mark is used at the end of the question tag. This is the question tag. End of question tag complete करे गोटे question mark दबा. तो answer is not he. Is a student is not he. माने कहला तो हम question tag करूचे first हमें find out करिबा से sentence रो helping verb के helping verb हमें लिखला करे तार कॉन्ट्रैक्टर और शॉर्ट फॉर्म लिखिबा आपर हम दिबा सब्जेक्ट कोन अछि सब्जेक्ट जा दिबो तार हम प्रोनाउन रे लिखिबा लास्ट हम क्वेश्चन टैग कंप्लीट करे हम क्वेश्चन मार्क दबा. दिस इज द क्वेश्चन टैग. नाउ द सेकंड सेंटेंस मीरा इज गोइंग टू मार्केट. व्हाट इज दिस? दिस इज a sentence. In this sentence मीरा इज subject, is helping verb, going is main verb, then to your market is object. In this sentence is affirmative or negative. Negative sentence I know in sentence is a helping verb after not. The not is not here, so your affirmative sentence what will do when you change into question tag you have to write, you have to change into negative sense. Meera is going to market. In this sentence, what is the helping verb here? Is your is used for Meera. Is amaro kapa use कराइछ Meera because Meera is a singular person. So Meera is going to market. In this sentence, first we have to find out what is the helping verb here. The helping verb is. So write here is. After in sentences positive sentence हमें आपको नेगेटिव रे करबा तो करबा not is not he, not also contracted or short form. How will write not when ot not when you write short form a apostrophe t not. Is not she, your is helping verb, then write here not. After what is the subject here? Meera is a girl, so what will write here? She. already କହିସାରିଛି ଆମର ସବଜେକ୍ଟଟା ଆମର क्वेश्चन टैग କରିବା ତାହେଲେ ଆମେ ସବଜେକ୍ଟଟାକୁ ନାଉନ୍ और ପ୍ରୋନାଉନ୍ ଲେଖିବା. ନାଉନ୍ ଆମେ ପ୍ରୋନାଉନ୍ ଲେଖିବା. ତେଣୁ ଏଠି ନାଉନ୍ ସବଜେକ୍ଟଟା କ'ଣ ଅଛି? ମୀରା. ମୀରା ଇଜ ଏ गर्ल, so write here she. Now clear? Is not she after question mark. Geeta dances well. In this sentence it बहुत इंपोर्टेंस अछि अपन मन आसुथि बटे डज ता कोड आसला डज नॉट सी तो सेंटेंस तो हमर डज नाही ए डज ता केमति आसला. गीता dances well. In this sentence what is the subject here? Geeta. What is the verb here? Dances. What is the object here? Well. So Geeta dances well. We have to find out what is the helping verb here. There is no helping verb. There is only dances is main verb. Verb is the action verb. But how will write? How will find out helping verb? Geeta dances. ମୁଁ already tense କହିସାରିଛି ଆମର present tense, past tense and future time. କହିସାରିଛି ଆମର present tense ରେ ଆମେ ଆମର continuous ଚାଲିଥାଏ present tense ରେ regular ହୁଏ dances. I go ମୁଁ ଯାଏ, we go ଆମେ ଯାଉ, you go ତୁମେ ଯାଅ, you go ତୁମେ ମାନେ ଯାଅ. But she or he goes because she or he similar third person. So ସେଠି ଆମେ yes add କରିବା. ଦେଖो ଯାହା ବି verb ଥିବ ଆମେ ସେ verb ପରେ yes add କରିବା. ଯଦି ଆମର go ଥିବ ଆମେ goes ଲେଖିବା, ଯଦି ଆମର do ଥିବ लेटर गो एठी हम कोन दी dances dances so Gita son single third person she goes he goes she dances he dances here Gita is single third person here it is dances then what is the helping verb here does plus dance equal to dances does plus eats here dances is main verb to ame to find out kariba what is the helping verb is it does because here dances she does he does she dances so helping verb here does so in this sentence is it positive or negative there is not or no there so this sentence is positive or affirmative sentence तो हमें क्वेश्चन टाइप चेंज करबा तो कहि हम कहि सारचे हम कोन करबा हम लिखबा हम अछि पॉजिटिव हम तक चेंज करबा नेगेटिव रे हम करबा कॉमा आफ्टर हम लिखबा डज नॉट सी हियर सी यूज फॉर गीता गीता इज सब्जेक्ट हियर हम गीता पई सी लिखले इट डज नॉट सी हियर नॉट आल्सो कॉन्ट्रैक्टेड और शॉर्ट फॉर्म now clear Gita dances well does not sing after question mark students have not gone to Puri what is the subject here students here gone is main verb here have is helping verb what is the helping verb here have so right here first have but have ta hame sabale small letter lekhiba have they here in sentence already negative sentence there are not here not used for helping verb what is the helping verb here have students have not gone to Puri जेतला हमें क्वेश्चन टैग करिबा हम तो क्वेश्चन से हम फर्स्ट टाइम फाइंड आउट करिबा helping verb इट helping verb have अछि हम फर्स्ट have लिख सरले then we see what is the subject here subject is students students place रे हमें pronoun कौन लिखना students means in plural so we have to write here they answer is have they question mark your sentence is negative sentence so you have to write your tag positive हमारा rule कहछि number 4 rule negative sentence पे positive tag and ए rule टा हमें इस sentence से करले I am a teacher एटा देखो एटा बहुत रूल टिके अलग अलग आसी I am a teacher what is the helping verb here am अपन मन तो मन राखथिबो हम तो जानि छु हमर helping verb परे helping verb जहा थिबो हमें ताकु लेखला पर हम यदि पॉजिटिव थिबो हमें नेगेटिव करिबा और नेगेटिव थिले पॉजिटिव करिबा बट ए सेंटेंस रा हम अछि I am a teacher but answer is are not I ले अपन मन क्वेश्चन आसीथिबो इट त हमर आर नथिला इट आर कोड आसला किंतु हमर एटा हम मन रखा पड़िबो ले हमर हेल्पिंग वर्ब आम थाए इट हमर आर लागबो आम नॉट आई लागबो नै हम रहिबो आर नॉट आई I am a teacher so in this sentence there is no main verb इट हमर ओनली हेल्पिंग वर्ब अछि डायरेक्टली अछि आम तो बट आम जगह हम सबले आर लिखबा ताको मन रखिबो I am a teacher are not I this sentence is as affirmative sentence so we have to write negative sentence what will write here am place writing are after not also short form after write I but I का सबला अपन कैपिटल रे लिखिबे after question mark ए सेंटेंस टा टिके अलग प्रकार आसी छी के कंफ्यूज करबो they rarely dance and sing in this sentence rarely means हम तो रूल का rarely भी पढ़ी नहीं rarely means हम लोग का नेगेटिव सेंस आसुची हम नेगेटिव means माने आपण मन भाबुतबा सेंटेंस रे उटे नो थिबो अथवा जे नॉट थिबो ए नो और नॉट टा हमर हेल्पिंग वर्ब रे आसे बट एठी हमर नो और नॉट नै एठी हमर ताटा केमति आसला पॉजिटिव रे बट rarely means बेले बेले हमर बेले बेले means हमर आसुची नेगेटिव सेंस what will write here? Do. There are nothing is there, only dance. We have to write here do. So first we will find like helping verb. What is the helping verb here? Do. After that, really means negative sentence. So we have to write here positive sense. So do they. Do also start from small letter. After that, put here question mark. He scolded me. He scolded. In this sentence also there is no helping verb. Then first we have to find out, already you know. First we found does, do. Then in this sentence did. He scolded me. Scolded means past tense of scold. Scold, scolded, scolded. So verb 2. She scolded me. He is subject here. Scolded is verb here. Here me is object. So what is the helping verb here? It is helping verb कौन? हम केम जानिबा? इट तो हम करितले dances means हम do जानितले. इट हमरा only dance थला हम एटी do लगितले. But in this sentence scolded. Scolded means past tense. So did plus scold equal to scolded. So here helping verb is did. Did not he. There are did after and not, because in this sentence is positive sense, you have to change negative sense. So write here did, here not, and he. Here he is subject, and you write here did. He. Okay, now clear. हमने तो गोटे क्वेश्चन क्या करूचे, फर्स्ट टाइम में रिमाइंड करबा व्हाट इज द रूल. हमें रूल बिना कुछ करि परिबा नहीं, हम कुछ रूल को मन रखिया पड़िबो. और कॉन्सेप्ट हम क्लियर कले, कॉन्सेप्ट सहित आपन को प्रैक्टिस करिया पड़िबो. विदाउट प्रैक्टिस रे हमें कुछ करि परिबानी. कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर होले भी, रूल मन रखले भी, किंतु हम प्रैक्टिस न करिबा हम कुछ करि परिबानी. तो हमर जो एग्जाम अछि, प्रत्येक एग्जाम रे हमर जेटी, ओएसटीटी, ओटीटी जो एग्जाम हो, क्वेश्चन टाइम गोटे 1 मार्क आपन पाइबे. ता रूल ता मन रखंतु और प्रैक्टिस करंतु. विभिन्न प्रकार एग्जाम रे आपन प्रैक्टिस करंतु. I hope